Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Case or No Case here on Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams, and this is where we test just how well you know the law. Here to help us is attorney Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm. How are you, Jeff?
I'm doing good in my virtual world. You look pretty good in your virtual world.
I'm hanging in there, and you've actually been helping a lot of clients just like this. So you guys have stayed busy throughout all these different things.
I want people to know that we're open, we're available and ready to help them if they get into an accident or need some help or just have some questions. So I encourage them to give them a call. We're here to help.
Good to know. Let's get down to today's scenarios.
Okay, so your aunt, she passed away. She owned a car and it was insured. Okay, she gave the car to you so that you then become the owner and you bring it over to your house. You don't get additional insurance because your aunt had insurance on the car when she passed away. So you figure still applies. You pull out of your driveway and you smash into a car. It's your fault. The driver of the car is pretty seriously injured. Case or no case against the insurance company who insured the vehicle when your aunt was the owner.
I'm guessing that there's a case there because you did mention that they registered the car in their name, right?
So no case. And the reason is that so when you become the owner, you bring it to your house, it's now your duty and responsibility to insure it. That insurance that your aunt had on the car is not going to apply. They didn't agree to insure you. They agreed to insure your aunt. So as soon as there's a new owner, that insurance is cut off and they're not going to be responsible for your negligence.
Well, thank you for explaining that because it really makes a lot of sense now.
It does. I'm glad I could finally trip you up on one. You're too good at this.
No, he trips me up all the time. Everybody knows that, I'm sure. So you've got another scenario?
I do. So your mom, she has dementia and she lives at a memory care center, an assisted living facility. And she's needs some help with her activities of daily living. Her dementia, it's worsening a little bit. And so the memory care center suggests that maybe you bring hospice in order to provide more care for your mom. And so you bring hospice in, they say, yes, we can provide some more care. We can bring some caregivers and aides in to help your mom with her activities of daily living. The thing is with hospice, in order to qualify, a doctor has to say you have 6 months or less to live. That's a qualification for hospice. So they bring in hospice, they're taking care of your mom. A caregiver from the memory care center, she's negligent, she drops your mom and your mom breaks her hip and she dies. So case or no case against the memory care center, knowing that your mom was on hospice and they said she had 6 months or less to live.
Wow, that's a hard one too, Jeff. I think that we're going to have a case there.
You do. And what's really important to know here is just because somebody is on hospice doesn't mean that you can't bring a case. Their life is still precious. And often what happens is that when they bring people in on hospice, they can get better and actually what they call graduate from hospice. And so just because somebody doesn't have a lot more time on this earth doesn't mean that you can't bring a claim for their wrongful death.
That's great information as always. And I remind everyone, if you ever need to know if you have a case or no case, wonder no more, just dial the 3s, 414-333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.